Hello guys, today I'm gonna make the most famous Egyptian meal, MAHSHY. We need grape leaves, cabbage leaves. First we boiled water and put the grape leaves in the water about 2 minutes each side. Crush 4 pieces of onion. We need 4 cups of tomato juice. Put them on onion, some parsley, some coriander, some dill. Four cups of rice and put them on the mixture. Hollowed zucchini and hollow about 5 pieces of green pepper. The spices are 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of dry mint pepper, half teaspoon of meat spices and half teaspoon of cinnamon. Put some onion rings on the bottom of the pot and some tomato slice. Now we are ready to put the mixture of the rice in the leaf and roll it well. And do the same with the cabbage leaves and roll it well again. Put the rice mixture into zucchini and green pepper. Arrange cabbage rolls, zucchini and green peppers together into a pot and cover them with porcelain dish. Put a grape leaves rolls in a pot with itself. Boil 2 cups of water and 1 cup of tomato juice and pour them on the porcelain dish. Then cover the pots well. Leave them on high flame till the tomato juice dry. Then make the flame in the lowest level about 2 hours. Bon appétit in Egypt بالهنا والشفا.